perfect treat, chocolate dipped strawberries. For this recipe, you need 1 pound of strawberries, 1.5 cups of chocolate chips, and 1 box of rainbow sprinkles. So the first thing we need to do is melt our chocolate. We're going to put it in the microwave for 2 30-second intervals. Now that our chocolate is melted, it should look like this, nice and creamy. So the next thing we're going to do is get our strawberries and start dipping them in. Now we place them right here on the mat. Take some more. For those of you who like sprinkles on yours, just take out the excess chocolate and you could drop it right into a thing of sprinkles. Nice little dish. And what I like to do is I like to pour the sprinkles right on top. This way you coat every piece. That'd be real nice. Now we lay it on the mat to cool off. They come real nice, real smooth. Make sure you get all the sides. And you put some like this. They come real nice. Now that the strawberries are all dipped and decorated, now we're going to pop them into the freezer for about 15 minutes. Now that we're out, I have some extra chocolate in a drizzler, and we're going to drizzle on top of the strawberries nicely. Give it a nice decoration. Give it a nice color. Little extra chocolate on top. These are great for parties, great for Valentine's Day. Now that the strawberries are done, let's get it to a plate. Now that they're out, they're already placed on a nice dish. Look how beautiful they look. Easy strawberries, easy recipe that tastes amazing. Hey everybody, I want to thank you for joining me today in this video on how to make chocolate covered strawberries. Please subscribe to my channel, just hit the bell, and more videos are on the way. Thanks everybody and have a great day. This is Cooking with Tommy.